Here's how to fix could not create Apple ID account on this iPhone. It's been used too many times to create an account. Now, if you get an error message that looks something like this, it says, could not create Apple ID. This iPhone has been used too many times to create too many Apple ID accounts. And it just says, see here for more details. Now, keep in mind, you're getting this message because if you just got this iPhone, it's been used to create multiple other accounts from other people. And on here, it does say 3 iCloud or Apple accounts are allowed per device. Again, this is so that someone doesn't just get an iPhone and create tons, hundreds or thousands of Apple accounts that spam Apple and have malicious intent. However, there is a workaround on this. Essentially, what you're going to do is use the web-based version. If you've never signed up for Apple in the past, you can always create an Apple account online and then just sign in on your iPhone. So all you're going to do is type in create Apple account and hit go. And you can see at the very top how to create a new Apple account. Now, it does walk you through the steps that you can take on the phone itself, but you don't necessarily need to do it on the phone. So you can see various ways here. But if I keep scrolling down, it does allow you to basically create an account by going to account.apple.com. Now, by doing so, you'll be able to create it on the web and you'll basically get around that limit on your device. Again, this is caused because a lot of people, maybe who previously had your phone, tried to create a bunch of accounts. Now, keep in mind, if you already have an account, you can hit sign in and then just enter in your details here, your email or phone number, and just create a new account or sign into your old existing account. Now, once you've done that, once you've set up your Apple ID account right on here, then all you need to do is hop out of here, open up your settings, and then tap at the very top where it says sign into your Apple ID or Apple account. And you can just sign in on this iPhone. Again, you haven't created a new one on this phone. You just created a new one on the web-based version if you don't already have one. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.